Hi, my name is Sharon, and I came to Dr. Gupta, and my partner found him on the internet. He's rated one of the best plastic surgeons in India, so I decided to come and have a consultation with him, and it was flawless. The experience was really enjoyable, considering it's in COVID and there's all this paranoia. I felt completely safe. I felt protected. To the extreme, so nothing was going to get into me in terms of virus. Dr. Gupta was very knowledgeable. He gave me all the information that I wanted about all the different procedures that I was talking to him about. In fact, he gave me even more information than I needed because I'd already done some research. He's very thorough in his approach. He's very thorough in letting you know what he can do and the options are. And he's also very good at telling you what he can do for you and not getting your expectations beyond the realm of what is feasible, because there's no point coming in and asking for something that your body cannot get. So overall, I was extremely impressed with the results. I was extremely impressed with the day of the procedure went perfectly. The facilities were perfect. My health was always there and looked after, and the customer care and the patient well-being were perfect. His bedside manner is delightful. You feel like he's really looking after me. I feel all the time that I'm being looked after, which is what I want. And I have complete trust in him. I would thoroughly recommend Dr. Gupta. I think he's an artist. He hasn't just learnt a profession, he's turned it into an art. So sure, it might be, if you're willing to trust yourself and to trust that somebody knows better than you and can guide you to get what you want, then Dr. Gupta is beyond amazing. And I would definitely come here again for everything. Anything else I ever do in my life, I will come here for those types of procedures. Thank you, Dr. Gupta, with all my heart. So, contrary to any doubt, if you were to compare India to any kind of hospitalization or cosmetic care in the US, Australia, or the UK, India is by far up there with them. And this hospital that I went to was on par with a 5-star hotel. The food was fantastic, the room was fantastic, the doctors were fantastic, the nurses were fantastic. I got better care in India, and in fact I've always had better care in India in terms of hospital, because I find people here are more caring, actually. Are more spiritual, they're more caring, they just love you. So in terms of facilities and procedures, they are up there with the rest of the world. India is way more than Slumdog Millionaire in terms of cosmetic surgery, normal surgery, and any procedure. And if I had to have anything done ever again for any part of my body, I would certainly come here. I've had other types of surgery. I've broken bones and I've had to fix my breathing. And the difference here is that the results were better than what I'd received before. The hospital was better. I didn't want to leave the hospital. In fact, I asked to stay an extra few nights at the hospital because A, I felt I needed it, and B, I was so well looked after. Everything was meticulous. I didn't feel I had any questions before going in. I knew I was in good hands. Obviously, every doctor we go to, we hope we're in the best hands, but I've come out of other surgeries and I've not been super delighted, but when I came out of my surgery from Dr. Gupta, I was immediately delighted. So regardless of physical pain or whatever, ultimately that's going to pass, but the results were there from 10 minutes after the surgery, as opposed to me feeling I'm not sure. And in the 2 weeks since my surgery, I've become more and more delighted. So Dr. Gupta stands apart, in fact, that he delivers what he says he'll deliver, and you will be happy from the get-go. There are so many things that I can say to Dr. Gupta, and we always have a good laugh whenever I come in, but the most important thing I want to say is thank you for taking a dream and making it into a reality and giving me such good care. The team were amazing. All of his staff follow up immediately. They are super efficient. which I love, you know, like you're not waiting around for hours for people to message you. Everything is done within minutes almost. Dr. Gupta's on hand all the time to answer questions. I've never had a surgeon like that before, not that I've had that many, but I've never known of a professional before who will actually text you any time of day or night. My care, your care is his number one priority. And I think not only is he an expert and an artist, but I feel special. And I think that in itself is remarkable. That makes you stand out. Thank you, Dr. Gupta, and your team.